gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bullish candle. We can see that the price after reached 2356.22 as support level on a Monday, the price has formed yesterday on a Tuesday a small bullish candle where we can see that the price has tried to move down. With this week, we can see that the price has gone even more down than these two candles on a Monday and a Friday. And we can see that the price also created a wick on the upper side where the price has reached 2371.15, a resistance level. Now this day has created this small bullish candle where this day has just started, but we can see that currently there are no sellers stronger than these buyers. This demand zone here where the buyers are located, they are preventing the price from falling down, but also they have managed to push the price higher on the price levels. Now what we can expect during this day, where the price could go? Well, the critical levels are still the same as yesterday. I have explained that means the price could reach an area here from 2372 up to 2375, an area here where this small resistance is located between this resistance 2390 and 2356.22. Now first resistance level that the price has created, that the price has broken, that is 2361, an area. We can see this is the first resistance level, and also it is upper side of this demand zone here, which means the buyers have managed to push the price higher, which means they have gone outside of this support area and they are much stronger than the sellers, which means I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value at least to this first level of resistance, and that means around 2372 up to 2375, an area. So this is the area where is the next resistance. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above that? This is something that I will watch inside 4-hour time frame and 1 minute time and 1 hour time frame, which I am sharing inside the Telegram group with the traders with more details during the day. So for now, the price, if it wants to get below 2356.22, that means completely continuing this bearish candle, this bearish sentiment, the price needs to go below this area, which means below the lower side of this demand zone, below 2351.10, because this is a strong support. If it is broken, that will indicate a further decline down for the price at least up to here, which is the next 2345.95, a smaller support, and below that it will be around here to 2337.93. Unless we can see the price go below these candles open and high of these open and close prices of these candles body, I'm still open to see price on higher price levels. And will the price manage to get to 2390.94? We'll see after the price comes very close to 2372 up to 2375, a resistance level. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.